Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks.
Our reader, Mike, created a solution to a common wintertime problem.
Mud easily builds up on skid steer loader tracks, and that's not usually a problem until it freezes on the inside of the tracks.
When that happens, the tracks won't move, and Mike points out that usually guys get into it pushing on the loader's levers to free up the tracks.
Mike explained in his submission that this causes all kinds of stress on the tracks, the drive sprockets, and idler wheels.
Often farmers will reach for a torch to melt the frozen mud, but that can damage tracks and the drive components.
So, this Ohio farmer created a simple clean-out tool from leftover rebar and scrap steel. This hack reminds me of a toothpick or a flosser, except for your tracked machinery.
Mike has found using this simple invention makes quick work out of removing mud from the track's drive cogs and sprockets before the mud freezes tight.
Mike points out that not all track systems are built the same, so this solution is easy to customize, so your scraper fits the need.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for the track clean-out pick that Mike submitted for the Shop Hacks contest.